nice color.
That's one Henry Pico.
Henry. Marigold.
And then the two horses,
They're boy and girl.
Maya and Red. I don't know where they are.
Hi.
So lovely donkeys. Henry Pico. We don't have, like originally they had horses. The cats live here, so it smells like cats.
There's probably a cat upstairs.
Oh.
Oh, there's horse in here.
Oh, are they in here?
Yeah, they were the big one.
Do you know how to ride?
What's that?
Do you know how to ride the horse?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Do you?
No.
I ride before back home in Philippines, but
Yeah.
Oh, you
Maggie's
there?
very
You know?
good. Yeah, Maggie takes riding.
nagkagat yata ako dito sa utak. And then in the morning, so I'm off. Nasagub ni.
There's like a small tree house.
There's no snake here.
But once at a camp I did see a snake. Yeah, it was really scary, but we didn't go near it. We didn't really touch it or anything.
But in a big farm or lake, you should wear like this. Still far?
Not that far.
Oh, okay. It's very good.
Yun.
There's a pathway there. Pathway!
I know, I'm scared now. I don't want to go. She's scared.
We're not allowed to go.
Oh no no.
I don't want to go there. Oh my gosh. Just
No.
look at this, just. This is Saskatchewan River.
Ay, maybe you're gonna fall there.
Hey,
oh my
be
God.
careful.
I'm scared.
I've been down here before. Come back up. Okay.
Come here. I don't know. My knees is shaking now. Look at him.
Oh, wow.
Ah, si Beju.
See? North Saskatchewan River?
Yeah.
It goes through Edmonton.
Oh.
Wala pa masyado siyang ano.
Is there anything across this way?
Oh, you know.
Canola.
Non-stop. Non-stop canola.
Unlimited. Oh, kani siya. Kani.
Oh, kani ang canola.
Di.
Ayun saan.
Ang bunga. Ang beans.
Ah.
Ito ang ginagawang oil. Mm. Yan pala.
Well, guys, want to pet the cat?
No, I'm allergic.
I'm allergic, but it will not bite. Rudy?
Rosie.
Rosie.
For Rosie.
Girl.
And then we have another cat named Odin. And Logic. And then you like put it in the bucket.
Thank you.
So you just pull it lightly to just check.
Oh, with this one.
That one's not right. This one's right.
Salad.
Or you can do the ano chai.
We can make jam.
Juice
Jam.
and jam. I'm gonna ask grandma.
You know how to make the jam?
No.
You should ask your grandma to teach you.
Maggie? Maggie?
Yeah?
You okay? You okay? You okay? Could you go upstairs to the barn? Right there you will find a little cup full of Rosie's food. Did you get that? No. Okay. Well,
That's for Odin.
Oh, you put it there?
Granny told me to.
I'm gonna bring you to the mall. Bilhan kita tag-ticket sa water park. Magaling siya na-entertain eh.
Careful!
Go. What is the name?
Red Maya.
Maya, your favorite horse.
Yeah. You should feed Maya. She's the gentle one.
I will take a picture of her first. Take a picture. Go there, go there. Okay, go there, Maya. Yep. Go there, go there.
Flat hand, flat hand. Yeah. Num num num. A donkey. Oh, it's
A donkey.
What's your name?
Marigold.
Pico! Marigold.
Yeah.
Marigold.
Not Mary Beth.
Not Maribeth.
Braver na itong braids. Braids na. Pero enjoy naman tayo, Chay, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero ang gusto ko na sarapan ako doon sa rings nila.
Sarap na.
Oo, no? Juicy.